How to pin your page on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to pin your page on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in top corner. Click on it and then just scroll down until you find pages, and now click select your page. Now just click this icon settings here and then click general settings. Now all you need to do is just click unpin, and here as you see my page has been unpinned. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.